So we have the mean position. So this is the mean position. Okay, now it is doing oscillation to and fro, and the acceleration is 20 at a distance of 5 meters from the mean position. So let us say this is 5 meters and acceleration is 20. So therefore acceleration can be written as minus omega square x. So therefore this is 20 meter per second square. This is equal to minus omega square into 5 meters. Of course, if the displacement was in this direction, acceleration must be in this direction. So therefore acceleration is having a negative sign also. So gone. So therefore omega square is equal to 20 by 5 per second square. Meter is gone. So therefore omega is going to be root over 4 radian per second, which is 2 radian per second. So therefore the time period is going to be 2 pi by omega, which is 2 pi by 2 radian per second. Gone. So this is pi seconds. So therefore the answer is going to be B. So simply we use this relationship A equals minus omega square x, calculated omega, and then from that omega we calculate the time period, which is 2 pi by omega.